my name is Ryan, and I'm a CIR from America working for Takikawa City in Hokkaido. Today, I'll be showing you some of the activities Takikawa has to offer during the summer. First, we're here at Takikawa Sky Park, one of the leading glider plane facilities in the whole country. A glider is an airplane without an engine that, as the name suggests, simply glides through the sky. Here you can get right up close to them, you can touch them, and you can even go flying in them. Visitors from all over Japan and the world come here to give gliding a try. You ride in the back like this with an experienced pilot at the controls, so you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view from the sky. I'm talking with Mr. Hirabayashi, who is a pilot here at Sky Park. 平林さん、パイロットとしての、楽しみと操縦している際の、実際の感想について教えていただけますでしょうか。
はい、グライダーはエンジンがありませんが、上昇気流を捕まえることによって長く飛ぶことができます。こうして鳥のように飛ぶことができるのでとても楽しいです。
はい、ありがとうございました。This is the Sky Museum here at Sky Park, where you can see lots of different models up close and learn a lot about them. Now, the flying season here typically lasts from late April to early November, so it's a great chance to get a beautiful bird's eye view of Takikawa's gorgeous natural scenery. Okay, now we're here at Hokkaido Coca-Cola Park Field 72, one of the largest park golf courses in Hokkaido. Park golf is a variant of golf that was born here in Hokkaido. The rules are basically the same as regular golf, but you use just one club for everything, and the ball is a little bigger than in normal golf. All the equipment that you need is available to rent here, so you can just show up and play. Alright, let's tee off. We're going to be playing on a beginner course here, so you can see what it's like for a first timer. Alright, so that was one little round of park golf. In America we have, of course, regular golf and mini golf, and park golf is kind of, just right in the middle. It's pretty simple, but it's also challenging enough and nuanced enough to keep things interesting. So if you ever come to Hokkaido and come to Takikawa, definitely give park golf a try. now we're here at the Takikawa City B&G Marine Center. Here, visitors can canoe in the Raone Oxbow River, which flows into the Ishikari River that runs through central Hokkaido. It's a great summertime activity for both kids and adults, especially on a hot day like this. A resident instructor will first give you a thorough lesson, so even first-timers can get out on the water. Alright, let's get out there. There are a few different types of canoes you can rent, but we're going to try a pair canoe this time. And we're back. So this was a great way to cool off in the middle of the hot summer season. It's a lot cooler and breezier down here by the river. There's also a lot of lovely birds. I got to see a white heron out in the grass, and so it was a great way to just enjoy an afternoon in the middle of summer. So now you've seen a few of the activities Takikawa has to offer in the summer. Compared to places like Tokyo, Hokkaido has no rainy season and is much less humid, so summer here is actually quite nice. I personally am not a fan of the heat, and I do pretty well here, so if you visit Takikawa in the summer, we hope you'll try out some of these attractions. In our next video, we'll introduce the fall season, so please look forward to it, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye! Visitors from all over Japan and the world come here to give gliding a try. You ride in the back with an experienced pilot at the controls, so you can just sit back, relax,